Hi, welcome my friend. The travel pillow is covered with a breathable and super soft magnetic therapy cloth. A self-developed sweat resistance fabric. You can adjust the angle and the size of the pillow randomly, meeting different neck size requirements to release your neck in any position. The product size is 10.2 times 10 times 5.3 inches. The weight of the package is 0.6 pounds. It comes with an improved travel bag that allows the neck pillow to compress down to half its size. With its snap strap, the pillow can be attached to your carry-on luggage without taking up extra space. We provide 1-year service. If you have any problem, we promise to offer you a prompt and full refund. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.